Why do window problems show up years later instead of right away? If the window was installed correctly, how does that even happen? Most window failures aren't caused by the window. They're caused by installation decisions. So let's talk about what those might be. If you want more detail on this topic, check out the article linked below. Windows rely on flashing, sealing, and drainage to move water away from the wall. When installers skip sill pans, rely on caulk, or seal the window without an exit path, moisture can get trapped behind the wall. Everything's gonna look great at first, and then years later, rot, mold, or drywall damage appears, and the window's gonna get blamed. Homes expand and contract with heat, cold, and humidity. If a window is forced into an opening, improperly shimmed, or over-fastened, seals break and frames shift over time. The window works at first, then years later it sticks, leaks air, or lets moisture in. Overpacked insulation can bow frames and stress seals. Underfilled insulation creates drafts, temperature swings, and condensation. It's invisible once that trim goes on, but it plays a huge role in comfort and performance years later. Rot, water damage, or framing issues sometimes exist before replacement. If they're ignored or covered up, the window gets installed into a failing structure. The damage is going to continue, and years later, the window is going to be the one thing that takes the blame. Why do some installs fail while others last decades? What's the difference? Well, it usually comes down to philosophy. Some companies optimize speed and turnover. Others build processes around standards and long-term outcomes. Fast installs can look great on day one. Longevity depends on what happens when no one's watching. Window failures usually start with shortcuts that favor speed and cost over durability. Because the real cost of a window isn't what happens this year, it's what happens 10 years from now. If you have any other questions about windows, make sure you leave them in the comments below, or you can reach out if you're in the San Antonio area to southwestexteriors.com and schedule yourself a commitment, pressure-free consultation with one of our design consultants. Thank you so much, and remember, Southwest Exteriors is here to give you the look you love coming home to.